If you're looking to keep your privacy intact and remove traces of your recent activity, clearing and turning off recent files in Windows 10 is a good practice. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to clear and disable the recent files feature step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Clear recent files from Quick Access. Open File Explorer. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate to Quick Access. On the left sidebar, click on Quick Access. Clear recent files. Right-click on Quick Access and select Options. Change folder options. In the Folder Options window, go to the General tab. Clear History. Under the Privacy section, click the Clear button to remove all recent files shown in Quick Access. Click Apply. After clearing, hit Apply and then OK. Step 2. Disable recent files from showing in File Explorer. Open Folder Options. Go back to File Explorer and click the View tab at the top. Open Folder Options. In the ribbon, click on Options and then select Change Folder and Search Options. Disable recent files. In the Folder Options window, go to the General tab again. Under the Privacy section, uncheck both options. Show recently used files in Quick Access. Show frequently used folders in Quick Access. Click Apply. After unchecking these boxes, click Apply, then hit OK. Step 3. Turn off recent files in Start menu. Open Settings. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app. Go to Personalization. In the Settings window, click Personalization. Select Start. In the left sidebar, click on Start. Disable recently added apps. Turn off the switch for Show recently added apps. Disable recently opened items. Scroll down and also turn off the switch for Show recently opened items in jump lists on Start or the taskbar. Step 4. Clear recent files from the taskbar. Right-click Taskbar. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Go to Taskbar Settings. In the Taskbar Settings, scroll down to Notification Area and click on Select, which icons appear on the taskbar. Clear recent items. For some apps, you can manually clear recent items by right-clicking the taskbar icon and selecting Clear Recent History. By following these steps, you have successfully cleared and turned off the Recent Files feature in Windows 10. This enhances your privacy and helps you manage the files you want to keep private. If you ever need to turn it back on, simply follow the steps in reverse. Thanks for watching.